In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. The departure of a technical and professional delegation from Afghanistan's Ministry of Mines and Petroleum to Uzbekistan. Maulvi Nada Muhammad Nadeem, the Minister of Higher Education, has paid a visit to Oman. And the meeting between the foreign ministers of Oman and Iran to discuss the regional and international developments. Welcome to our Today News Package. It's Sunday, the 21st of Rajab al-Marajah 1447, the 21st of Jadid 1404, and the 11th of January 2026. The news details. A technical and professional delegation of the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum, led by the heads of Mining Institute and Technical Inspection Department, has departed for Uzbekistan to participate in a 28-day capacity building and professional development training program. The Ministry of Mines and Petroleum stated that the primary objective of this visit is to tour various technical sections of standard laboratories, become familiar with advanced laboratories equipment and methodologies, and exchange practical expertise. This visit is being carried out within the framework of technical scientific cooperation between Afghanistan and Uzbekistan, with a focus on improving laboratory standards, quality control, and enhancing technical capacities in mining sector. Sheikh Nada Muhammad Nadeem, the Minister of Education of Afghanistan, has traveled to Oman at the head of a delegation with the aim of expanding scientific and academic cooperation. The Minister of Higher Education stated that during the visit, Maulvi Nadeem is expected to meet with Omani officials and hold discussions on strengthening academic relations between the two countries. The minister also will visit scientific institutions and academic centers in Oman during his trip. The news continuation. The Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock reports that 2.5 tons of honey have been exported from Kandahar province to foreign countries during the current year. Based on the ministry, honey production and basil cultivation in the province have seen a significant increase in recent times. And ultimately, Badr bin Hamad al-Busaidi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Oman, has traveled to Tehran to hold talks with Iranian officials. Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs stated that Mr. al-Busaidi met with Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, Iran's foreign minister, and discussed bilateral relations as well as regional and international developments. In accordance with the ministry's statement, both sides emphasized the expansion of bilateral relations in the field of economy, trade, investment, energy, and tourism. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.